Welcome back to Quick Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to get the best quality out of your OBS recordings. This is actually a mistake that I made when I recorded my content using OBS. I always realized that if I recorded something like Epicam and plugged it into a program like Adobe Premiere Pro, it was always at a lower resolution than what I expected. This video will tell you exactly how to get the fullest quality possible from your video device. So first of all, I have Epicam connected up here and I have it added as a video device. If I double click that and scroll down to resolution/FPS type, notice it is set to 1920 by 1080. And also the FPS is set to the maximum output type, which in this case is 30 frames per second. So in the preview, the camera is pushing its full resolution. It is not being neutered at all by OBS. In my live streaming tutorial, I showed you how to change the bitrate when you go in live stream. And the bitrate fluctuates between what actual resolution you're going to get out of your preview. We all change those options in output, and what is confusing here is that you can also change the way that you record, but the tab that we need to look at here is actually the video tab. You can set the canvas resolution, that's the preview, and you can also set the output or the scaled resolution. First of all, this is at a really weird resolution, and second of all, that is definitely not 1920 by 1080. So if I press record and I just do something with Epicam connected up right here, stop recording and go to my videos folder, view the properties of this video, go to details. This is only recording at that 1092 by 614 resolution. It's not going to play well on YouTube, and it's not going to play well on basically any other platform that you'd want. So in order to fix that, just go down to this drop down and you can select really any resolution you want. I can even change the base resolution here to 1920 by 1080. And now I can go down into the output resolution and change that to 1080 also. And if your video devices are capable of 60 FPS, you can change that option right down here. And then I'm going to press apply. Still, it's a 1920 by 1080 feed, but since I changed the resolution of the preview, now I can make this bigger. And if I start recording, stop recording, and I pop on over to my videos, view the resolution of this video, it is at a full 1920 by 1080. And this is the kind of video that you'd want to edit in Adobe Premiere if you want to use OBS as an application to connect all your cameras together and record something like, let's say, a screen recording like I have for this video. I'm playing a clip right now of me having to resize the screen recording to make it fit the Adobe Premiere sequence, which is set to 1920 by 1080, just because I started recording the screen recording before I changed the settings in this video. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye bye.